My AG26 hoodie is here. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful piece of merch. So, let's open this. It has my address on it, so let's not look there. Let me go get my scissors. Oh, how safe. There were scissors on my bed. Love that. So now let's just sister snippet. Okay. My beautiful baby. And here's my little receipt thingy. So one AG26 hoodie in size medium. Let's just, open this up. Yes, oh my god, okay. So this is how it looks folded, the way that they folded it. And then it opens up, and this is how big it is. It's so cute. Oh my god, wait. This is adorable. I'm gonna wear this legit every single day of my life. This is adorable. Okay. Ooh, the heart is actually embroidered. I thought that they were lying about that. Sorry about that. I got a FaceTime from my friend who's in Disney World. So yeah, you know who you are, and I hate you now because you interrupted my video. This is the hoodie. It's so cute. It says AG26 in wavy letters. Then over here it says Ariana Grande. And then it has a picture of her laying down during the light is coming, I think it is. I don't know. But it's cute. And then at the bottom it has the tour dates. And it's cute. I'm gonna try this on right now. This is how it looks. It's nice and purple. Wait, let me go into better lighting. Let's go to my bathroom. Okay. Sorry about the background and this towel and this hairbrush. Okay, well, let's just thank you next to that. So this is the hoodie. It's really cute, and I got a medium. That's my size. And this one actually has strings. My sweetener hoodie didn't come with strings, so that's good. This is a comfy, really nice hoodie. There's nothing on the back, but the little hearts on the sleeves are so cute. They're on both sleeves. And one of the people who I follow on Instagram is it purple or blue? Okay, just a little break. Go follow Stand Up Reject on Instagram because he's the one who's always questioning if it's purple or blue. And he's very funny and he's very nice and amazing. So and he also has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to Stand Up Reject. I know that you all probably know him because you might be an Ari fan, and most Ari fans know him because he's popular and he's very nice, and yeah, go follow him. And it depends on the lighting. Right now it's purple, but sometimes it looks blue, I guess. I'm sweating so much. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, well, this hoodie is gorgeous. Oh, I didn't even notice that. It says AG26 and then Sweetener Thank You Next Tour 2019 with a little circle C. I love this hoodie so much. And a little announcement. I'm going to be doing another Ariana Grande merch video once everything that I ordered come in. So, basically, I ordered this 7 rings crew neck, right there. And then I ordered the Thank You Next perfume right there. And those have to come in. Except I don't know when the pink 7 rings crew neck is coming in. I ordered that with my own money. This one was my birthday present. I love this hoodie so much. Oh my god, okay, whatever. In a mirror. Didn't show you this, but yeah. See, this says AG26, then her laying down, then Ariana Grande, then the heart thingy, then the Sweetener tour, then all the tour dates. And yes, I know my outfit is crusty and ratchet. Wait. Crusty and ratchet, but that is okay because this hoodie saves it all. Yeah, I'm gonna get married in this.